Someone presses the doorbell, and inside, a tiny electric signal instantly wakes up the system. In a traditional doorbell, electricity flows through a circuit and activates an electromagnet. That magnet pulls a small metal hammer, ding-dong, striking the chime bars to create sound. In a smart doorbell, it's even cooler. A tiny camera turns on, a microphone records audio, and a Wi-Fi chip sends live video straight to your phone. Some doorbells even detect motion before anyone presses the button. So inside a doorbell, simple electricity and smart technology work together to announce every visitor at your door.